Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the dark mode on the Bilibili Comics application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the Me section next to the library button at the lower right corner of the screen and tap to the settings button. And here you can find the dark mode option and step on it and select the dark mode and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.